What's up, everybody? Happy Weight Loss Wednesday. It's Ken here. All right, so we got 3 topics. If you're watching live, drop in, say hello. Nice to hear you here. You're watching. I know some of you watch later on. All right, so I have 3 topics I want to go over today. So, Joe's pretty popular. The Nutrisystem and the prepackaged type things. I'm gonna try it. It's not working. All right. So like the Nutrisystems, the Weight Watch, not the Weight Watch. We're not gonna go into Weight Watch today. Nutrisystem, Jenny Craig, Slim Fast, all those prepackaged things. They really help you lose weight. They have those fantastic little stories on the commercials. But here's the thing. I'm gonna go over one pro of all those prepackaged things. It's better than going to McDonald's every day. It's better than stopping McDonald's and Burger King and Chick-fil-A every day. So yes, that's where it's beneficial. Let's go into the bad. So one of the big things with these prepackaged meals is you can't live on them forever. First of all, it costs a lot of money. It adds up. All right, so it's gonna break the bank if you're buying these Nutrisystem packages, usually a few $100s a month, or Jenny Craig or Slim Fast. Slim Fast has the meals and then they got the shakes. It's not sustainable living financially. All right. The next one is that the calorie count is so low on these programs that you can't live on 1,000, 1,200 calories a day unless you're sedentary and you do nothing all day. Then you can live on that low calories. Otherwise, real life, you're moving, you're grooving, you're working out, you're dancing, whatever you do, you can't live on that low calorie count. So that's what they always market, that low calorie count. Even 1,500 calories a day is low. So it's usually even the calorie count is unsustainable. The next one, these prepackaged meals, they're not really fresh. They're laden with sodium and other preservatives. So maybe you lose some weight, but maybe you jack up your blood pressure. You have high sodium levels in your body. So yes, can they help you drop some weight? Sure. But at the end of the day, if it seems too good to be true, it seems like all I do is buy these meals and they do all the work for me and I'm going to lose some weight, it's probably not going to help you. So what should you do? Learn how to meal prep. That's prepackaged meals. Prep your meals ahead of time once a week. Learn how to eat right, all right? Those are the ways to sustainably lose weight and feel great the rest of your life.